Let's make Barbie burgers. Mayo, vinegar, oil, lemon. All these spices.
Like an onion powder, salt, pepper, and red chili powder.
Barbie said sweet. Dragon fruit. Blonde Barbie couldn't even stay on her feet. The Barbie world. Our Barbie sauce.
I'm seasoning the burgers with pepper, a dash of salt, garlic and onion powder, and red chili powder.
How big are your balls?
Do me a favor as well, while we're cooking up these great burgers, go ahead and hit that like button, follow the channel so you can see more great easy recipes as we're cooking right here in Uncle Drew's kitchen. Now these special Barbie burgers have nice chopped bacon, a lot of cheese. We'll go ahead and add in some extra mayo with our pink sauce. And don't forget, loads of pickles. Cooking burgers are just fantastic for any type of meal. This pink mayo-based sauce just gives a whole lot of color to those burgers.
Try this. Let's try this Barbie burger. Oh yeah. Boom! Again. Blonde Barbie can't stay on her feet. Dr. Barbie stayed on her feet. That is so good.